workout with him, I went up there. I was sore for 2 weeks. Those high rep weight workouts that he does, they're insane.
Yeah, he does a lot of that stuff.
Yeah. Like, I'm a slow, lazy bear in the gym. Like, I like to lift heavy, rest, go, like, this kind of thing.
Well, he does a lot of endurance work. He does a lot of his stuff is about muscular endurance and pain threshold and, what you can tolerate. It's all repetitions. Because repetitions, like, if you just do 3 to 5 reps, it's pretty easy. As you said, testosterone rewards, that kind of effort. There's a big difference between that kind of stuff and, like, he's an ultramarathon runner. He likes to push the mind.
Yeah. Well, I'll do the long runs. I do a long run on Sunday. I did 2 hours yesterday around. They call it a lake, but it looks like more like a river to me.
It is a river.
Okay.
It's a branch of the Colorado River.
So I kept going around that thing until I couldn't go around anymore. But I need to go colder. I will get in the ice one.
What is this will need to go? Why don't you just do it?
Well, there are mornings I'll just jump in the cold one for 30 seconds.
I do it every fucking day. I don't have any negotiation.
No.
There's no negotiation.
No, I'm not saying I don't go in every day. I'm saying I don't always go into that one first.
I go first thing in the morning.
Okay. Well, you're a better man.
No, it's not a better man. It's just do it. It's just if you have like all these this negotiation room and all this leeway, then you won't do it. If you just, I brush my teeth every day. Do you?
Twice a day.
Yeah. Well, get in the fucking cold. Just do it.
All right, I'll start going
Just
ice.
do it. It's 3 minutes. But in the beginning when I first got it, I would like procrastinate. I'd get a cup of coffee, and then I looked down at my phone. It was 12 minutes later. I was like, I already be done.
Okay.
I would have been done 8 minutes ago.
Well, I'm going to get thermometers, a second thermometer for the sauna, verify. I'm going to verify the data, second independent measurement, and the cold. I'm going to have to imagine that the Morozko one, because it has pieces of ice floating in it, has got to be colder than 50.
Yeah, I bet it is. You could tell if the Morozko has 2 lids. You have the lid where you climb in, and there's another lid where the equipment is. If you lift up that equipment lid, you'll see a thermometer. Okay. You'll see a digital thermometer that's a setting. It's like what it's set at and what it's actually at.
Okay.
And I guarantee you're probably in the 30s.
Okay. So I've been doing short